Welcome to our page. If you are here for the first time, welcome, and please do like or subscribe, as that will go a long way in supporting what we do. If you are returning, we appreciate your continued support. Please share and like this video. In this video, we're going to analyze the song Vane Mazita by Leonard Dembo. Those who follow this channel know our views about the GOAT status of Dembo. The man was an absolute genius. Dembo's poignant song Vane Mazita delivers a powerful message about the significance of showing respect to the younger generation. The lyrics emphasize that this respect is especially crucial when the child bears the name of an elder, as it symbolizes a connection to their heritage and legacy. The song masterfully conveys that mocking or disrespecting these children is equivalent to disrespecting the ancestors who came before us. By carrying the names of their elders, these young individuals embody a sense of continuity and tradition. Through his music, Dembo passionately advocates for greater respect and admiration for these specially named children, recognizing their inherent value and worth. The song serves as a reminder to honor and cherish our youth, who are the custodians of our cultural identity and the future of our communities. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.